In this lecture, we will try to understand two methods. First one is index of and second one is char at. In C, or I can say, let me say C++, a string. What is string? A string is an array of characters. Is an array of characters. Array of characters. Isn't it? Let me repeat. In C or C++, a string is an array of characters, and in Java, programming language, and in Java, a string is an object. What is string? A string is an object. A string is an object derived from this particular object is derived from string class. From string class. That point is important. That can be assigned with a group of characters enclosed in double quotes. String class cannot be subclassed. One must understand this. String class cannot be subclassed. String class cannot be subclassed as it is derived as it is. What is the reason? As it is declared final. As it is declared final in which package? In java.lang package. We already discussed what is final class, isn't it? Unlike in C or C++, string manipulations are very easy. String manipulations are very easy in Java. String manipulations are very easy in Java. We will study some important methods of string class. Strings are immutable in nature. That I already discussed. Strings are immutable in nature. By nature they are immutable, isn't it? When a string is created, a memory allocation is assigned. When reassigned, the string is allocated a new memory location and old one is garbage collected. That's what I discussed in my previous lecture. That is for every reassignment. For every reassignment. A new location is created. Just refer my previous lecture so that you can understand. Let me repeat. Strings are immutable by nature. When a string is created, a memory allocation is assigned. When reassigned, the string the string is allocated a new memory location and old one is garbage collected. That is, for every reassignment, a new location is created. This immutable nature is a big overhead. To what? To operating system, to OS, to operating system. This is overcome by this headache can be overcome by what? By Java through what? through string buffer class. Through string buffer class. That's important, isn't it? We will try to understand these two important methods. One is index of. What is this index of? What does it mean? Index of, let me write index of char ch. Char ch. This method returns the index number. This method returns the index number. Returns the index number. Returns the index number of the character specified. Of the character specified. Of the character specified. Let me say, for example, let me say string str equal to, let me say hello. Let it be system.out.println. If I say str, if I print str dot index of e, let me say this index of e, what will it print? This code prints, what will it print? It prints 1. Why? Because index of h is 0, index of e is 1. Index of method is overloaded and can take a string parameter also. Here it returns index number of the first character. For example, if I say str dot index of, let me say index of, let me say hell. What does it mean? What is index of hell means? What is the first character in this particular string? 0. Index of h is 0. Therefore, what will return? This prints 0, the index number of h. What is the index number of h? That is 0. That's what it says. Index of method is overloaded and can take a string as a parameter. Here hell is a string as a parameter. Here it returns the index number of the first character. Which one is the first character in the string? H is the first character. That one must understand. This is about index of method. There is another method, char at. What is this char at? Let me say char at. Char at int index. Int index, let it be, isn't it? This method returns in int index. What does it mean? What this method returns the character, returns the character at the specified index number, at the specified index number in the string. Specified index number in the string. That is important, isn't it? Yes. Let me say string str. Let me say string str equal to, in double quote, let me say hello. Let it be. If I say str, if I want to print str dot char at 1. What is this character at index 1? This is character at 0 index. This is character at 1 index. What will it print? It will print e. That's important. Anyway, we will try to understand these two methods. This is a simple program. Just say this one. Class space class name. Just let me say index char, public static void main, string str equal to word. What it says? str1 dot index of o. This is 0 index. This is 1 index. What it is printing? O character is at. Just see, O character is at 1. What is O is at index 1. System.out.println RLD. RLD means what? This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. R is at index 2. RLD string. In the string, which one is first character? R. Whose index is 2. That's why it is printing RLD string is at 2. character at index 1, character at 1 index. What is character at 1 index? What does it mean? This is 0, this is 1. Character at 1 index is 0. This is just a character. Character at 1 index is sorry, it's O. Isn't it? That's what it says. It is simple and straightforward program. Just let me demonstrate this program. Let me go to command prompt. Let me go to command prompt or JAVAC space index char.java. How can I run this program? JAVAC space index char. It is is char. This is the output which we expected, is it not? It's simple and a straightforward lecture. Just go through it once. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.